Hey guys, I'm Eddie. Today we're going to be correcting this big mouth Philly bass's problems, which are that it skips and barely moves. So, as you can see, makes very strange noise. It's barely moving. The mouth isn't moving. It just skips, and then it'll stop. Just like that. So, this is actually a very simple fix, so let's get right to it. Okay, so now we're going to need to remove the battery cover. Now we just need to open that. Yes, that is part. And now we need 4 new batteries, because these batteries are almost dead. That's what's causing this, is dead batteries. Just remove those, put in 4 new ones. It could be a different problem but if your big mouth Billy Bass has been working and then you just go to turn it on one day and it isn't, this is most likely your problem. Okay, so now that we got the batteries replaced, we'll go ahead and test it to make sure that it fixed it. As you can see, his tail is moving a lot better. And he's not skipping anymore. So that was definitely our problem. So yeah. The only problem with him now is that his head won't come out. But if you want to see a video on how to fix that, I'll put a link to it at the end of the video. So yeah. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.